Ooh, that didn't sound good. Car's getting a little old.
Just a little.
It's got creaks and things like arthritis, and it sounds like Dad's back when he gets up in the morning.
Wow. That is not nice.
But it was truthful. It does sound like Dad's back in the morning, doesn't it?
I'm not gonna say anything.
Because I'm right.
No comment.